Hi guys, welcome to our 80s life. Last week we took you guys to 2 estate sales at hoarder houses, and we talked about when you're going to these places, sometimes they are a little bit dirty and stinky and all of that. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you my tips for cleaning vintage items once you get them home. So you guys might remember, these are some recent purchases that we made. We got this Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle lunchbox, and it's very dusty and dirty, and it even has some writing, which I may or may not be able to get off of here, but we're gonna give it a try. So little Kyle had his name on here. Sorry, Kyle. Whenever I run across an item that has a stain on it, or especially if it's been written on with like a Sharpie marker, permanent marker, I first try to remove it with just a simple nail polish remover and some cotton rounds. Let's see if we can get that off. Ah, it's working, you guys. Check that out. I also purchased this amazing vintage caboodles. It still has the sticker, so I want to be careful not to get this wet because I want the original sticker to stay on there. But this thing is so dirty, you guys. Can you see that? That is all dust and dirt. And it also has a lot of makeup residue on the inside, so this one's gonna need some TLC. So I like to use an all-purpose, multi-surface, concentrated cleaner, and this is a very gentle one, which is why I've chosen it. It's Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. And the scent that I like is honeysuckle, although she has lots of yummy scents. And I will put a link to this product in the description below in case you're interested in buying it. So we're gonna mix just like a capful of this. It really doesn't take very much. And it smells amazing. I'm gonna put it in my bucket, and then I'm gonna fill my bucket, about halfway up with some warm water. Now for these trays, I'm gonna actually remove these and just wash them with some soapy water. Bonus, there's something in there. A dolphin and a shark. These look like those little milk caps the kids used to collect, I think in the 90s or so. So those are fun. In the hoarder house video, you saw us digging through just bins and bins full of these little vinyl toys. I love to buy these toys because they're usually really cheap and some of them can be collectible, but unfortunately, they're usually pretty dirty. They're well played with, well loved, and these guys need to be washed. Good as new. And of course, Keith's prized possession, his Darth Vader carrying case from 1980. This thing is pretty dirty and dusty, but we gotta be careful with it because it's also collectible and it's old. So you don't wanna go using like Clorox wipes or anything like that because anything with harsh chemicals can really wreak havoc on these old plastic materials. We don't want anything to happen to this guy. Now, our friend Darth Vader here has a sticker on it that I think is gonna give me trouble. That is super annoying. So I will peel off as much as I can, and then I'll show you how to get the rest of it off. Goo Gone. This is the best. I actually got this at the Dollar Tree. So it was only $1 for this little 2-ounce bottle, and a little bit goes a long way. It's a goo and adhesive remover. I've been using this stuff for years without any problems. It smells really nice, like oranges, and it will get off all of the sticky residue from price tags and other mysterious goo. So we're just going to douse it with the Goo Gone. After it's been a few minutes, I just use like a little plastic scraper. This is actually a Pampered Chef scraper. And you just sort of just scrape off the excess goo and paper. And it comes off pretty easily once you get that Goo Gone soaked in.